Eye n'Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchumu rigere Ensoko TV nko kwani kuranda onsi asore haso mugoroba obono mugorobo yibweri tukeriga ya gatano na gatatu mutinyido ya gatano mwaka w'echile kwibere 2025 na irimo nokuye na kwani buna nogendera tukubati Ensoko TV na inde gwikira bolge cherigire Chinsa Ikomi chabona mugorobo engaki yuko yanyora Amayia asinchira yubwenge buna abasake betu bayariganire ase omugoroba obono tusanga subwamo gwetera asinchira yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook rabega sesemeria ya YouTube Ensoko TV na area tariane Ishmael Mogere. Asumo chakano mugoroba bono erikwene kibuna obokoreri gose obokoreri obwikira n'ubwo bachenu gukia sabari mu imeyense nige wizara y'obachenu bakorire gikaro nekiumbe kyabari mu kyanata abwase bakwanira makongwa bari mu bagwetera ase obachenu ase serikali yalireira yugo chegutinya umuroberi w'obachenu oyo omanyekaine buna mwalimu comprehensive medical cover asensemo yaye munyakero gobwekiumbe kyanata Collins oyo nigo ayenekiri kwigwana wekira nigwe ase bono barachikwene kibuna bari mu bonsi banyolire okumanyigwa kwa Lionspi agendere tukurwa asensemeyi nabo gwetera ase okwigwana okwo kwabekirwa serituko lyarero.
I must provide good health to teachers, and as the SG said, good health will translate to quality education. Yes. I think we had a very good engagement with the entire national leadership of Kenya Union of Teachers, a union with a very good governance structure. They have met with all the directors led by the CEO of SHA, Teacher Service Commission directors who are here, Finance, HR. We had the CEO of DHA this afternoon, and we have agreed that going forward, all the outstanding issues from the last expense to ex gratia to the availability of IVF facility to overseas treatment to the where a teacher requires emergency. All those issues we have addressed. We have asked teachers to be our ambassadors, and every teacher in our country must download Afya Yangu. Because when you download Afya Yangu, we want, together with the teachers' fraternity, to protect the benefits teachers and the government of Kenya has paid for.
This was a very, very important session for Kenya National Union of Teachers. We said, and I want to repeat, that lack of knowledge caused our members to perish, or any other person in this world. Without knowledge, I'm quoting the Bible, my people perish because of lack of knowledge. This is why we are here. We brought in the leadership of Kenya National Union of Teachers from branches. And as you can see, members of the Fourth Estate, this is a representation of 110 branches of the Kenya National Union of Teachers, accompanied by members of the National Executive Council, 35 of them. Then at the apex is the National Steering. This was a very serious engagement because, you know, much as I do, members of the Fourth Estate, the issue or the elephant in the house in this profession has been the operations of SHA. So we came together, as the CEO has said, and each and every bit of explanation has been given to areas that had gaps. My people today have the knowledge, and they are going to give the same knowledge to the grassroots leadership of Kenya National Union of Teachers, that is the branch executive committees, who in turn shall feed the same information to school representatives who are the last or the least accredited officers of this great union.
Asense mwende serikali wetere wizara y'abakora imirimo yo yacakira umurubiri obw'entunda ya kabere yo kubarika abakenye imirimo gokia isiko yense mu waziri Alfred Mutua nigaerera buna nigamba bagaye imirimo goika chilifwinye ale arore gati yabo oboteresa ubwagachi abagandi kigali n'imirimo yende menge.
For a while, as we fixed up the system, as we looked at the international community, the war in Iran and others, as we gave time for PRAs to organize themselves, we get time for the DCI to actually investigate and root out rogue agencies. So now we are about to start. I have come here to tell our young people that they have an opportunity, that there are very many jobs in the world, that many countries in the world have jobs but they don't have people. Kenya has people with no jobs, and we have very qualified young people. So our job is not to give a handout, but to give a hand up to these young people. So I'm very happy. Mombasa, they have come in large numbers. We have organizations with different types of jobs, from caregivers, from nurses, where they'll be paying nothing to go to those countries, from housekeepers, truck drivers, border drivers, basically riders who will be delivering parcels, to construction workers, to office workers, to baristas, people, to chefs. So we've got all these opportunities that are available for young people of this country. If your job is not available, you can go to the NEA website, and from the NEA website you can see the type of jobs that are available for you, and then you can be able to register for that type of job or talk to that company. A word of warning, please be careful. There are rogue people out there who are not even registered as companies, who wake up in the morning and say Mombasa registration company, Kitale registration company, na hata jiandikisha hata kwa AG, ana document, anakupatia namba ya mtu ambaye amekufa, unamtumia pesa, unazama. So do your due diligence. Go to the NEA website. I'll give there's a telephone number, that is the NEA telephone number 0800. The telephone number is 0800 222223. So 0800 52s and a 3. 0800 52s 22222 and 3. We've been routing people. We route people every day. There are people who we do not even reconfirm their agency licenses. Every day we turn them down. So they started with over 1,000 and something, now they are close to 500. They keep on rising and falling. But we are making sure that, and as I said, not in this William Ruto administration, not in this leadership of Alfred Mutua in this ministry, will we have PRAs conning people and getting away with it. So nataka kuhakikisha watu wa kwamba mimi mwenyewe nimekuja hapa Mombasa kuhakikisha kwamba the thing is done right. Hii recruitment inaendelea leo, kesho na kesho kutwa. We have 4,000 positions. Please come try your luck. Tukitoka hapa we'll go to another region.
Asense mwendo muraibuense William Ruto asentunda yende nigaerere gose nigaegerero murubiri w'abachenu omanyekere buna sha uyatabiriro munyamono korengani wa nori umukoro gwene chaefa asetari aime county ya Laikipia nigo buna nigaerere buna ndiga serikali yae erachi wikirani chire chonsi engana yasirure no mukonyi muraibuense Professor Kidure Kindiki.
Mimi nimekuja hapa kuhakikisha ya kwamba ile miradi yote ya serikali, hasa ile mpango ambayo tulikubaliana na nyinyi. Mimi wakati niliomba kura nilisema nitabadilisha mfumo wa mambo ya afya. Hatutaki mwananchi auze shamba yake ama ng'ombe yake ati kulipa gharama ya hospitali. Tunataka gharama ya hospitali ilipwe na serikali ya Kenya. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Na hiyo bima ya afya ya SHA, tumesema kila mwananchi ajiandikishe ndani ya SHA. Na mimi nataka niwashukuru watu wa Laikipia. Laikipia hoye! Sikizeni, nyinyi watu wa Laikipia mumefanya kazi mzuri kwa mambo ya matibabu. Leo nikiongea na nyinyi hapa, 60% ya watu wa Laikipia tayari wamejisajili ndani ya SHA. Watu 1,300 na karibu 70 wamejisajili ndani ya SHA kwa watu 1,518. So 60% of the people of Laikipia today are registered. Ile pesa tumelipa kama serikali kwa matibabu katika mahospitali zenu ni shilingi bilioni 1.8. 1.8 billion shillings has been spent in Laikipia County kulipia wale wameenda hospitali, wale wamekaa kwa wale wamekuwa admitted. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie ndugu zangu wananchi wa hapa, nataka kila mtu ajiandikishe kwa SHA ndio tuweze kuwa na data ya kupanga mambo yenu. Madaktari tujue ni wangapi, dawa tujue ni kiasi gani, ile equipment ambayo inahitajika tuwaletee, ndio mambo ya afya isiwe tena starehe ya matajiri, wale wako na pesa, wale wako na kazi. Tunataka afya iwe ni haki ya kila mwananchi.
Iko watu wanazurura hapa wakisema ya kwamba watu ya Laikipia ati amuhitaji mambo ya barabara, amuhitaji mambo ya stima, amuhitaji maji, ati munataka kelele na siasa. Ni kweli? Ni kweli? Ni kweli? Ni maendeleo ama ni siasa? Ni kelele ama ni siasa? Ni matusi ama ni maendeleo? Kwa hivyo Rais Ruto aendelee. Munasema rais ni fire. Rais ni fire. Wacha nione tu tamu ya William Ruto, tu tamu ya William Ruto. Asante rais.
Muwaziri omunene bwaigo muwaziri bwa mangana Chinsa cha Ikomi Musalia Mudavadi niga ikiribusi bwe committee ya senator iyo kurigelia mangana bwatikaine n'abakora emirimo boiga mangana Chinsa cha Ikomi irikwiranira amaborio igoro yaba Kenya bamenyete Ikomi yense asukwiranira kwaye niga erero buna ni gukumigwa korao ase serikali ase etaranyora nibo eyo eisaine erikurwa bokonyi gochia ase bari bamenyete Ikomi yense.
It's a debate that Kenyans will have because we have also faced a backlash from Kenyans who argue that to what extent should the taxpayer of Kenya underwrite transgression, so that if a Kenyan is getting involved in criminal activity outside, to what extent can Parliament actually allocate funds for interventions in those spaces? So it's a question that Parliament and yourselves being in Parliament will have to really think through. Then there's the issue of jurisdictional and diplomatic constraints. In a lot of these areas, sometimes we don't have a mission directly, so we have stations that have multiple accreditation, and therefore sometimes working in areas where we don't have a physical embassy can have challenges. We also, in our conversations diplomatically, are trying to make sure that we can have more agreements, bilateral agreements, which can deal with prisoner exchange of prisoners, mutual legal assistance to broaden that scope with different countries. So these are conversations that we are also pursuing. We are also facing challenges of tactics that are continuously evolving. For instance, right now, you cannot completely track AI-generated recruitment operations. These are rapidly evolving spaces using technology, and it's not easy to track all of them. In certain areas, we don't have emergency shelters. In some countries, some nations with adequate resources have created what you might call safe houses for Kenyans in distress to go into safe houses. But for now, we don't have that.
Abasae abaraba bwatani bekyama KODM nigo basokiri gukwanira iguru yo kubora kumura bekyama KODM Daktari Oburu Odinga asibagikeri siasa nyinge eyi yabekirwa ase okubora kwaye gukora kurase nyumba ya chungwa nigo bayigo bayererekere ngage kyama asabono no gutinya ekyama ekibura bakwerera subagaro mogoroba obona.
And as they said, they want to strengthen the party, make it formidable, vibrant, and appealing to every youth in this country. Now, one thing I want to talk about is about what is appearing in some of the local dailies. Because today we've been invited to news by some of the local dailies questioning where our party leader is. with permission from my party leader, the Senator Dr. Oburu Oginga, I want to assure you the party leader is very okay, is fine. And you know, when people start questioning about the whereabouts of somebody, that tells you how important that person is, isn't it? So we take pride in that. We are very happy that our party leader continues to attract news. He's becoming one source of news that everyone wants to look up to, and we want to assure you that he is very okay. And tomorrow we'll be seeing him somewhere in the alma mater of his late father, speaking and roaring. Thank you very much. And we will welcome you another day. Vijana hoye! Hoye. ODM! ODM youth! ODM youth! Na iwe hivyo. Asante.
Biamano se kubwate me yasenjira o bono wikarabno to wikara mweri ense ya muri Chinsa to Clinton ndigi na chiko yaretera asenjira ere enyi kiranu gandra kotegere mbere bende atigera se rituko yale weekend yankyo eri etariane Ishmael Mogere.